Right now, your ideal customer is in a state of deep frustration. They don't know how to begin. They're chasing their tails. They're bouncing from one shiny object to the next, looking for a solution, whether that's in new tutorials or new influencers, new tactics, more books, more YouTube channel videos. But here's the brutal truth: 99% of knowledge workers miss this one thing. And it's that your customer just doesn't need more information. They're already drowning in information. What they lack is wisdom. And this lack of wisdom is all formed around how to execute or how to begin. And the lack of execution skills prevents them from actually implementing what they learn. They are in a state of consciousness, but they're completely unaware of the deeper aspects of what they actually need. They don't know what they don't know. This is why you can build a phenomenal world-class course and still hear crickets on launch day. Because if your offer only addresses what they say they want and ignores what they don't know they need, your offer lacks the nuance to pull the market towards you. You're just guessing. You're screaming at the market. And guessing and screaming at the market is the fastest way to go broke in the digital product space. Hi, welcome to my channel. I'm Billy. I'm a writer and digital strategist, and today we've got a lot of stuff to get into. I'm talking about the foundational gear of the EverFlow architecture. Now, today I'm talking about the psychic offer match. This is the secret to creating an offer that is so irresistible the market feels like you've literally read their minds. You've switched that switch in their mind, and you have moved them from thinking about it to actually moving and implementing what your offer has. An offer is not just a promise, it is an asymmetric trade-off. That means that you're crafting a value transaction where the client gets a massive disproportionate payoff. At its core, an offer is a simple question. If I give you X, will you give me Y? To make the market pull the product out of your hands, you must engineer an offer that delivers roughly 10 times the value of what your customer is willing to trade or more. Now, that usually means solving some pain point that lies in the path of what their desired income is. But how do you know what they value at 10 times the level? Well, you don't guess, you immerse. The psychic offer match is that you are completely obsessively immersed inside both the avatar of your customer that you're seeking to serve and the market you intend to dominate. You have to know them better than they know themselves. Most amateurs stop at demographics like, my avatar is a 35-year-old male who likes to golf. That's useless. To craft messaging that creates the psychic trigger of the invisible buy button inside your client's head, that's what gets them to take action. And you must drill down to a granular level to uncover the message that's going on in their mind. However, this is not an overnight process. It's a learning process over a space of time. Ideally, you never stop learning about your ideal client. This will evolve over time as you gain greater understanding of their profile. This includes the study of your ideal client's trauma, the obstacles, their age, doubts, goals, fears, insecurities, vices, and addictions. What keeps them up at 2 a.m., their beliefs, their identity, their emotional patterns, their resentments, their role models, their guilts and shames, the media they consume, the platforms they live on, their deepest aspirations that they're not even aware of, their routines, their family dynamics, their purchases, their health, their traits, their values, their education, their social life, their hobbies, their work experience, and their finances. As I mentioned, the dreams and aspirations they aren't even fully aware of. What is it that they don't know that they don't know? And how can you articulate it back to them in their own language? And ideally, you want to awaken these dreams and aspirations along with all of these other traits that have been deep asleep in the subconscious and that you are working to activate into their conscious thought. That's the fuel for the invisible buy button. And I'll tell you up front that a big part of creating that desire and want for your offer begins by increasing their belief that they can do and achieve their desires and chipping away at those negative beliefs that keep them stuck. That should be part of your content marketing and messaging. Now, when you understand their resentments, you can speak to their frustration. When you understand their hidden traumas, you can offer true healing, not just a band aid. When you map out these points, you stop being a course creator and you become a master engineer. You craft messaging so precise, so empathetic, that the client says this person understands my problem better than I do. They must have a solution. This level of immersion is not a one-time event. It's a continuous process of time, attention, and study. And as you deepen your understanding, you refine your offer. You increase the wanting for the transformation. This is step one of the 9-step EverFlow roadmap. Before you build the automated sales machine, before you drive the traffic, you must crack the psychic offer match. Now, if you're tired of chasing your tail, if you're unsure of what to do next, I've spent a lot of time on this subject and plan to revisit it more and more. And if you're thinking about building a digital product or offering a service that the market you're concerned that they may ignore, you need to stop guessing and start engineering. Now, I've mapped out the entire architecture for you. Click the link on the bottom or in the pinned comment section to download a complete 9-step EverFlow roadmap. Now, the roadmap is the exact blueprint I'm using on my Road to $10 million project. It will show you how to take this psychic offer match and build an automated sales machine around it, step by step, into an automated sales machine. So again, go and click the link in the description area below, or go to the first pinned comment in the comments section and click the link there. Once you do, you can download the roadmap and you can follow along. And be sure that if you like and subscribe my channel, it helps improve my reach so that I can share more of my ideas and methods with people just like you. And if you do, trust me, it will make a big difference in people's lives. Till next time, I'll see you in the next video. Till then, keep engineering.